is what I hope to be. I treated you unkindly, but darling, can't you see? There's no one more important to me. Darling, can't you please see through me? 'Cause we're alone now, and I'm singing this song for you. You taught me precious secrets of a truth, withholding nothing. You came out in front, and I was hiding. But now I'm so much better, and if my words don't come together, just listen to the melody, 'cause my love is in there hiding. I love you in a place where there's no space or time. I love you with my life.
Don't settle for the trips you've always taken. There's a different way to travel. RVing is the way to go.
All right, so that was I guess a sound demonstration played through the Yamaha RV, or is it RX V385 base model Yamaha home theater receiver. I think about like 180 to 100 watt receiver. Of course, you see that it's playing through Fire Stick YouTube video, and it's playing on the KLH bookshelf speakers. Got many years ago, probably over 10 years ago, for about $99 a pair. Okay, so the reason I made this video was because I want to seek some advice from all of you guys out there who are into audiophile. Should I upgrade these speakers to the JBL 530, JBL Studio 530 speakers, or the definitive BP 920 speakers? I know the definitive technology 9020 speakers have the built-in subwoofers, and they would deliver probably more bass than the JBLs. I don't know. I haven't really had a listening samples of either one. I've heard a little bit of it, of the definitive technology 9020 or 9040 speakers at Best Buy, but not enough to really decide if those are better than JBLs, because I never heard of JBLs live before. Only on YouTube I've seen reviews of it. So let me know if it's worth upgrading the speakers. What I have with what I have. I am not intending to buy a subwoofer. I do not want a subwoofer. I am not going to get an amplifier. I'm just going to have that receiver, and I just want two decent speakers that I can use for home theater and music. And I probably will wind up putting these speakers in the back for surround sound. If I do happen to get the JBL 530 or the definitive technology 9020. So give me your honest opinion. Which one would you do out of the either one? And let me know if this receiver is powerful enough to power either one of those two speakers. And I would greatly appreciate your advice, what you think. Okay? All right, thanks for watching.